Has this ever happened to you? If only there was a better way.
Luckily for you, there is. Introducing the Bamboozler.
The Bamboozler is brand new, state-of-the-art, and the answer to all of your prayers. The Bamboozler works as a weapon, jump rope, chew toy, and more. The possibilities are endless. Each Bamboozler is individually tested for both strength and durability.
The day I got the Bamboozler was the happiest day of my life.
This amazing product can be yours for not $100, not $50, but only $19.99. Call quickly because supplies are running out and this product cannot be bought in stores. Call in the next 5 minutes and we'll double your offer, not one but 2 Bamboozlers. But wait, there's more. You will also receive a free roll of toilet paper. Don't dilly-dally, this is a limited time offer. If you want to have a better life, you need to buy the Bamboozler. Please note, the product is not guaranteed to actually improve quality of life. Stretching or pulling may result in damage, injury, even death. Final price does not include shipping or handling. We are not responsible for any injuries or broken dreams that may result from the Bamboozler. Do not try to sue us. Call today!